Hey guys, so I know yesterday when I said about my new slime shop opening soon, I said I'm gonna do a video in my, I'm gonna do it like when it opens, but I thought I may as well do one, and yeah, and I have brought 2 tubs of slime with me to my grandma's, so I'm gonna show you them and see what some slimes are like, and yeah, so wait, before we get started, I want you to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. You better have hit that. You better give this video a thumbs up. And then click that subscribe button. I'm going to give you 2 seconds. 1, 2. Better have done that, and turn the post notifications on so you'll know when I post a new video. So let's get started. So these are my 2 slimes that I have bought. They're in these Play-Doh tubs. This is what we're going to be selling them in. We've got like 6 of these and 2 of these or something. 7 of these and 2 of these, I don't know. So we're going to be making big batches before our store opens. So comment down below which is your favourite slime and which tub you want us to open first. So I'm going to open it first. I didn't know which slimes were, I just randomly picked them out. I really like this one. This is the one that I made. It's really nice slime. Let's see if it bubbles. It's quite stretchy. And it's got a nice texture. It's very soft. It's a really nice texture. And if you want this slime, comment down below what slime this one is called. What's this one called again? I think it's the mermaid slime, or I think it's rather the mermaid slime, or kind of like a galaxy slime with all the beads in and things. So comment down below, mermaid slime or galaxy slime. And if you want this one is £1.50 for a big batch. So you just comment whatever slime you want, and the first 2 people, so I'm going to be picking one, so the first 2 people of this one and the first 2 people of this one, I'm going to be picking a person for both of these, and then I will mail them to you as soon as I can, and comment down below the best way to contact you, and I will text you on there. So it can be Instagram, Snapchat, or WhatsApp. So yeah. So if you want Galaxy or Mermaid slime, comment for this one. Next one is going to be this. I really like this one. I thought this was going to be my Galaxy slime. I think that one's the mermaid one. I thought this one was going to be the Galaxy slime, but it's not. It's the metallic slime. It's like, you can't really tell it's metallic on camera, but oh, you kind of can. But it's a really nice color. It's stretchy. This one doesn't have beads in. And you might find little bits of love hearts in, but you can't really. I think there's only 1 in, but you can't see it. And if you want this one, this is called metallic slime. So if you want this slime, you know what to do. comment down below which one, the best way to contact you, and I will pick from 2 people. So this is the metallic slime. Put this one back in. Also, when you put the slime in it toots. So that's very interesting. And it's not really guys. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to comment down below which slime you want, the best way to contact you, and hit that subscribe button, post notifications, give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, bye. Mwah.